Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Yesterday, the Trump took the power and as usual started giving volatile statements. The Trump is very famous for making, controversial statements, yesterday, as soon as he took the power, so there was some news that there will be no new tariffs against any country, and then immediately Dow futures shot up 500 points, Bitcoin shot up $7,000, $8,000 from $102,000 to $109,000. The gift Nifty shot up nearly 200 points. And then what happened? Less than 24 hours, he is saying now he is planning to increase the tariff by 25% against Mexico and Canada. So what yesterday night and today morning, it's not even 24 hours, it's less than 12 hours. Right? So after this, the Bitcoin fell, the gift Nifty fell, the Dow future fell, right? And gift Nifty, it was up 200 points, then down nearly about 150, 160 points. Right now, gift Nifty indicating slightly positive opening. Right? Even without this news also, it would have opened slightly positive because yesterday the sentiment was very good. Asian markets mostly mixed, right? Some are up, some are down, so there's no big change in Asian markets. As I told you yesterday, today there are no events, no corporate results, but Hindustan Unilever and HDFC Bank will be in focus today because both of them coming out with results tomorrow. Usually, these companies come out with results on Saturdays, but this is the first time HDFC Bank is coming out with results on weekday. So we do not know whether the results will be coming during the weekday, during the day, or after the market hours. Right? So definitely the Bank Nifty will be in focus because Bank Nifty has the tendency of moving 1,000 point up or 1,000 point down on an alternate basis. You go and check last few trading session. One day it came down 700, 800 point. Next day it went 1,000 points again. Yesterday day before yesterday it came down nearly 1,000 point. Yesterday again it was up nearly 1,000 point. So this volatility continues. And the markets, might stabilize after HDFC Bank results, right? So that is one of the big results, and not one of the big that the HDFC Bank is the number one index heavyweight in India. Anyway, as I told you, the markets are consolidating. Good thing is that it is consolidating towards the upper end of the trading range. The trading range is 23,000 to 23,500. Yesterday, as I told you, on November 21st or 22nd, when the markets crashed, Nifty closed around 23,350. So yesterday, it was trying to close above that, but actually it closed slightly below that. So the first hurdle is closing above 23,350. So then only we will be out of ultra bearish view. But as of now, we are, having an ultra bearish view only. After falling more than 3,000 points, the Nifty is just struggling, to close even like 500 point higher from the lowest point. The lowest point is 23,050. Yesterday it is 23,350 around. So it's only about 300 point. So at least 23,500 has to be crossed on the higher side. So only then now we can hope, of some recovery. So definitely, many people thought, that Trump winning is actually good for India. But also remember, once he said, he's considering 100% tariff against the BRICS nations. India is a part of a BRICS nation. So that's one thing. Second thing, remember we are buying crude oil from Russia, and then so America is against Russia, so they may like to they may do something to punish Russia, but we may feel the collateral damage. All right. So the risk is always there. So that's why, as I said yesterday, I came out with a video. It's good that the stock market is crying. So hopefully Nirmala Sitharaman ji will give some chocolate on February 1. So hopefully that can be a big trigger to turn the market around, right? So at least, we are hopeful that, the bulls are hopeful. When I say we, most of us are bulls. We are hoping that 23,000 will not be broken on the downside. So keep watching for upper side breakout about 23,500. So if 23,500 is crossed, okay, then the next target is 23,000. So if 23,500 is crossed, then the next target is 23,800. So if Nifty closes around 23,800 by the end of this month, then a good budget Nifty can take out 24,000 on the higher side. So that is the bull case scenario right now. So we will take the markets on a day-to-day basis instead of predicting what is going to happen 1 week, 10 days after, because there are a lot of corporate results will be coming. So accordingly, the markets will be reacting. But today, I don't think that market is going to make any big move. As usual, 150 point down, 150 point up, that kind of things. So the another big concern is FII selling, right? So even the days like yesterday, the FIIs can sell 4,000 crore. And then, what is this month, January? So in January month, how much they have sold so far? I think they have sold for nearly 50,000 crore. I did not check exactly,